welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle. I'm gonna be doing like a low big poof with a side swoop. Hopefully it come out good. I just wanted to come really quick and tell you guys what I use in my natural hair to keep it moisturized. If you guys don't know me, my name is Zell and I have a company called Tropic Touches. I sell natural hair products. Sometimes I sell some hair bundles and wigs and stuff like that. I'm about to do a natural hair tutorial with my hair, but if you've seen my previous videos, as you know, I did trim my hair, so it's a little bit smaller, but it's still big because I'm still using my products to make sure that my natural hair is growing healthy. What I do for my natural hair routine is wet my hair, not really like wet, but just like spritz my hair with some water, and that's just going to make my hair be ready to take in any moisture that I'm gonna put on it. I like to go in with the Design Essential leave-in conditioner. This is from their newer line. My hair is high porosity, so I like using this one to put in some moisture into my hair. And also, if you have high porosity hair and you want to use a different leave-in conditioner, I do like using this one. It's a Crya Botanicals leave-in conditioner for high porosity hair. As you can see, I've been using this for the past couple of months and it's like halfway, almost halfway. I just use the tiniest amount because a little of this goes a long way, because you want to make sure when you're using the Mommy's Deep Moisturizing Butter on the packaging, you will see that I say you can use this and put it in like your conditioner and stuff like that and then rinse it out. But I also use this to seal in the moisture in my hair once I'm done. This is after you wash your hair and stuff, and then you can do this every 3 to 4 days just to put back in that moisture into your hair. I would spritz it with some water, then I will put the leave-in conditioner of my choice. I like these two, so screenshot them if you have high porosity hair. And then once I'm done with that, I will go in with my TGIN buttercream. I will go in with this, and this is gonna put in some moisture in my hair, so I'm not gonna be sealing in water, because when the water goes away from my hair, then it's just gonna be my dry hair with a sealant on top, and I don't want that. Literally, this routine is so easy, okay? Once I do that, I go in with my Mommy's butter. I already finished it, as you can see, but this is the texture of it. It's very soft, very soft. It has shea butter, mango butter, all the good butters for your hair is in this. When your hand is not wet, it literally melts into your hand like so. When your hand is wet, it's gonna give you like a coating. Obviously it's gonna be hard, so I just take this, and then this is what I use to seal in the water and the leave-in conditioner and the butter and everything. I also use this butter on my skin because it's an all natural butter, so I use it on my skin, I use it on my hair. So that's basically what I use to retain my length. I feel like when people say, oh, my hair is not growing and it's genetic or blah blah blah, I feel like the rate of your hair, the rate that your hair grows is genetic, but you helping your hair to retain the length, I don't feel like it's genetic, because my hair right now is like right here. And keep in mind, I had cut like this much off of my hair a couple months ago. So I feel like you helping your hair to retain the length is not genetics. If you guys want to retain your length in your hair and you want to support a black owned business, I will have my butter linked down below so you guys can get it. You can use this butter in conjunction with any leave-in conditioner that you have. Also my oil. So this is how the oil looks when you order it. It looks like this. This is the packaging. I updated the sticker, so it's a shiny sticker, so when oil gets on it, it's not going to mess up. I recommend getting two because the first bottle is going to help to heal your scalp and get it ready to promote the hair growth, and the second bottle is going to stimulate the scalp. Then you're going to see hair growth with the second bottle. The first one is just going to help your hair and your scalp to heal. As you can see, I have a bigger bottle just because I use this literally every single day. Mine is like halfway already, but I just take like two of the applicator, and normally I would have my hair in cornrows and I would just put it down my scalp. So for example, I would just, let me just part it so I can show you guys, and I would just put it down my part everywhere and my edges. I like using this on my edges just because I wear wigs. Wigs tend to break off your hairline and your edges. Even if you feel like it's not breaking it off, it's gonna break off. Like, trust me, it's going to weaken these areas just off of you wearing like wig caps, or just off of the friction and stuff is going to cause breakage. So I use this just to promote that hair growth around my hairline and my hair. I feel like this really helps. It does have a tingly sensation, so it makes you feel like calm and cool. And you can also like massage your scalp for like 5 minutes every time you use the oil. And yeah, just like show your hair some love, be intentional with your hair growth. I hope you guys really like this video. If it did help you out, let me know down below. Let me know if you guys tried this method before of like putting the leave-in conditioner and then the moisturizer and sealant. I recommend this 100%. I go through these really, really fast just because I always have my hair braided. And even if my hair is in cornrows, I like to go ahead, spritz my hair like every 3 to 4 days. I spritz it. I put some of the leave-in conditioner. I put some of the daily moisturizing butter. I literally lay it on top of the braid, and then I just seal it in with this. So you don't necessarily have to wait for every single time that you have your hair out. You can just go ahead and use it when your hair is braided up. When I'm deep conditioning, I would also add a little like tablespoon of this into my deep conditioner. I would leave it there for like 30 minutes to like an hour. If I'm doing like a press out on my hair, I would not do that just because the shea butter and stuff is depositing fats on top of your hair, and you want your hair to be totally like squeaky clean, like no product at all when you're straightening your hair. I'm just focusing on growing my volume on my hair, so I don't mind putting this into my thing because that's what I was doing before, and that was growing my hair really, really good. So you just use a tablespoon in your conditioner, and this is gonna help you tremendously. I'm going to link everything that I was talking about today in my description box. Alright, you guys, so that's basically all I wanted to tell you about how I moisturize my hair. These are the items that I use every single time. I have not switched up my items. I am coming with a spray. If I'm not using just water to spritz my hair, I do have this fenugreek glycerin concoction that I created. I'm gonna come out with a video maybe in 2 weeks or like a week showing you guys exactly how I make that concoction, because I feel like that really helped the hair growth too. Like it makes your hair grow 10 times more. But make sure when you're using that method that you do protein treatments. I do need to do a protein treatment video, but I want to wait because I don't want to do too many protein treatments and then my hair is like dry. I really don't want that. Right now this is like day 3 of my hair being like this, so I'm gonna moisturize it tomorrow. I'm not gonna moisturize it today just because I'm a little bit lazy, but I'm gonna do a hairstyle today. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. I already said like, comment, and subscribe, but don't forget to thumbs up this video just because it helps YouTube to push the algorithm. I've noticed recently YouTube has been really messing up my freaking video flow, but anyways, I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I want to get more into styling my natural hair. So last year I made some clip-ins using my Chop Touches vendor Kinky hair, and I did dye it, so I know these are gonna be like super dark compared to my natural hair. This is one of the clip-ins that I made. I did not record a video last year making these just because I didn't know if they were gonna come out good, but this is a clip-ins that I made, and I mean, I guess it's like, I don't know, but I'm gonna be doing a low big poof with a side swoop, so hopefully it come out good. And yeah, so I want to do a side swoop, so I think maybe I should just part out how I want the swoop to lay. I always like my parts being by the arch of my eyebrows, so I think right here is gonna be fine. I want this to be as crisp as possible. I have not did a swoop on my natural hair before, so let's see how this goes. I'm so used to like doing wigs. I'll be parting my hair as though it's a damn lace. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just comb out some of the clip-ins just to see, because my hair is not defined at all, so I want it to be poofy like my hair, so I don't have to use too much. So like this, yeah, hopefully. Guys, I don't know, let me see.
The looks and the stares, fuck what they think about you. Fuck what they think about you. About you. You say you're alone and you're happy, but I wanna be the one to make you happy. Oh, yeah, oh, baby. Oh, I hope my face starts to look familiar. You say that you're happy for me, but you don't seem happy for me.
This shit is coming from an honest place. The line between my personal life and music's a race. And I don't ever sleep cause the moment I drift off, another nigga eats and then takes off. It's ironic cause I'm tired of it. And you don't want your life to change from it. You want that same old. You can tell that there's a change coming. But progression is a way of life, and I don't work so hard to have my name buzzing.
Okay, I don't want to wet my hair, so I'm gonna just use some leave-in conditioner.
Been alone, held the game, and you know it, but you ain't into that fame, so I blew it. Shit is gonna be crazy when my crew hit, and trust is a definite, we got love for each other. But you ain't going through no storms for a brother, trying to act like you the victim in this situation. I'm chasing my dreams, you acting like I'm on vacation, fuck you mean?
How can I blame you for not?
And then I'm just going to put the edge booster all over my hair.
Attention, the looks and the stares. Fuck what they think about you. Fuck what they think about you. About you. You say you're alone and you're happy, but I wanna be the one to make you happy. Oh, no, oh, baby. Oh, I hope my face starts to look familiar.
You're gonna need some bobby pins. I have these big curved ones, 2.5 inch, ooh, jumbo. Take about 3 of them so I can clip my hair down. And I don't want to like have it smushed. I'm gonna put it behind my ear. This looks crazy. Okay. I'm going to put some right here just so I can swoop this down. I'm gonna use another pin just to pin this down. I'm gonna use the edge control. Okay, I think this is cute. I don't know. Hey you guys, this is the end of the video. The front of my hair is not really dried yet, but it's gonna be cool because it's just gel. It's not water or anything. So this is how it looks. I think it could have been a little bit better, but it's pretty cool for me. This is just some DIY clip-ins that I decided to make. This is how the hairstyle looks, and let me know if you like it down below. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, it's giving me like back in the day vibes, but it's still cute. I love back in the day vibes. It's like really my thing, as you can tell. But yeah, anyways, let me know if you guys like this video down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also gonna link my hair growth oil in the description box so you can grow your edges back. Also help to promote hair growth. And don't forget to shop my head wrap. I should put my head wrap on right now, to be honest. So you can shop my head wrap. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it on right now, but you can shop my head wrap. I'm gonna have the link down below as well. And my bonnet, because I sleep with my bonnet every night, kind of beat up, but you can get yours now on Tropic Touches. I do have a limited stock of these, so I'm gonna have it linked down below so you guys can get you one. It looks like this. And my lashes, also have my lashes up on the website if you guys want to get you one as well. So yeah, my lashes look like this. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair. I really like it. I think it's so different. I never styled my natural hair ever, and the 4 clip-ins that I put in my hair, they're like, it made my hair so thick, and I feel like this is the thickness that I want my hair to be at, but genetics, okay? The thickness is genetics, but the length is not genetics, all right? So this is how it's looking. I hope this video was fun to watch. I feel like I see a lot of straight hair videos, so I wanted to do a fun natural hair video. Let me know if you guys liked it down below, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.